Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Puvarasi. In this video, I am sharing some basic concepts of Python. So let's start our basic concepts like first one is what is Python? What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted general purpose programming language. Python is a high-level interpreted general purpose programming language. Python supports objects, modules, threads, exception handling, and automatic memory management, which help in modeling in real-world problems and building applications. Python supports objects, modules, threads, exception handling, and automatic memory management, which help in modeling in real world problems and building applications. So next one is what are the benefits of using Python? What are the benefits of using Python? So Python is a general purpose programming language that is simple, easy to learn, and syntax that emphasizes readability and therefore reduce the cost of the program maintenance. So reduce the cost of program maintenance. Moreover, the language is capable of scripting with capability of open source and multi supports the third-party packages, encourage moderability and code reuse. It is high-level data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic typing and dynamic binding. Next one. What is an interpreted language? What is an interpreted language? Python is an interpreted language. The interpreted language executes in line by line. So, interpreted languages such as Python, JavaScript, or PHP and Ruby are prime examples of interpreted languages. Program written in an interpreted languages runs directly from the source code with no intermediate complication steps. Why Python is a dynamic type language? Why Python is a dynamically typed language? Typing. Typing refers to type checking in programming language. In strongly typed language such as Python, one string 1 plus 2 will result in a type error. Since this language don't allow for type correction, implicit correction of data types. Type checking can be done at two stages: static data types as checked before execution, and dynamically typed data types are checked during the execution. Python is an interpreted language, executes each statement line by line, and this type checking is done on the fly during executions. Hence, Python is a dynamically typed language. What is a PIP8 and why it is important? PIP stands for Python Enhancement Proposal. A PIP, a PIP is an official design document providing information to the Python community or describing a new features for Python or its process. PIP8 is especially important since it documents the style guidance for Python code. So guys, I end of this video. If you like this video, please like this video and then subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you all.